Hi everyone, I'm in World Market shopping for my umbrella for the back of my patio. Here it is. So here it is. This is the umbrella that I've been eyeing for a long time. Here it is in green, and it has a bamboo tilt pole with gold accent. And I really love it because it goes along with my patio furniture. I love to travel, so I love things that look world traveled or kind of used and handmade and not so new. And this is definitely my style. Here is the stand and the price. And I hope that I helped you with your remodeling of your patio as well. I'm remodeling inside my home. This was the last stand that was left, so I had to grab it. They had other colors as well, and I really love the stand with the pole along with the umbrella. Everything is separate, so if you want this umbrella, you have to get a separate umbrella as well as the pole. And I have the tilting one and the stand. Here it is in cream. The one that I want to show you is the store sample, and it's going to be in green and black and white. And the black and white one doesn't have the tassels, but I really love it because it looks very Caribbean, and I love to travel, so it matches all the furniture in my backyard. And I'm remodeling my home, as you know, so I'm going to take you step by step with me. I'm also going to show you some things that's on sale in World Market, so I'm going to be quiet and I'm just going to show you what's on sale, so enjoy the video. I just wanted to mention also that they have a huge sale on pillows right now for spring. If you're looking for something that's comfy and cozy for spring, go ahead and go to World Market. It's really hard to get the same thing twice because so many things are handmade, but you can find excellent deals. And if your taste is like mine, world travel, you may want to go to World Market to look around. Also, they have sales on lamps as well as candles and anything else you can think of, they have it. They also sell food as well. I was really shocked about that. So over 2 days I went back and forth picking up things for my home as well as inside and out, and I really enjoyed shopping at World Market. And I love a clearance. I never pass up a clearance. So that is on sale as well. When I was looking at the tables, I realized that there is a great sale on napkins. So there were 6 linen napkins for $9.99. I'm not sure if they were linen or cotton, but they were one or the other. I didn't really have time to look. And also, these are handmade mirrors. And when I was in St. Bart's and Nikki Beach, they had the same mirror on the wall. So I was just showing you a way that you can style it. It's like they style it in St. Bart's at Nikki's. also picked up this rattan basket that's hand painted with the bottom of it being white. I thought it was real cute and boho style, and here it is with a couple of pillows inside with a throw, and I just love the rustic look of it. I went ahead and put it next to my couch and had an extra throw for my family when they stayed over. I just love the rustic look. Also, I picked up a rattan plant holder with a fig tree inside of it, and I already had the fig tree, so I went ahead and set the basket there in the corner, and I thought it looked really nice, a nice clean look. I love fig trees. And also I picked up 2 more pillows. I don't like to have matching pillows, but I do like to have cozy sweater inviting pillows to make my house a little bit cozier, because I have a large house, so I'm trying to cozy up the spots that I have. So I love these pillows from Royal Market. They have tassels on them, and I'm a sucker for tassels, and I think that it gives a homely, sweatery feel, and it makes for a comfortable look. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and here is my umbrella styled on my patio in the corner of my backyard. The chairs are from Leaders Furniture, and the table is from Leaders as well, and the vase is from Pier 1. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did love it. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit that notification button. That way you know what I'm uploading. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care, and make sure you watch us on Mr. Traveler. Bye.